Namaskar. This is Basic Concept Classes presenting today's important current affairs. To begin with, international news. The Food and Agriculture Organization FAO of the United Nations released the State of the World's Forest Report 2024. Theme for this year is Accelerating Forest Solutions through Innovation. In 2020, the global forest covered approximately 4.1 billion hectares, which is 31% of the total land area. India gained 2,66,000 hectares of forest area annually from 2010 to 2020, securing the third rank after China and Australia among the top 10 countries. Since 2000, India has lost 2.33 million hectares of tree cover, which is a 6% decrease according to data from the Global Forest Watch Monitoring Project. Kenza Lely, an artificial intelligence AI influencer from Morocco, crowned as world's first Miss AI in the world's first artificial intelligence beauty pageant launched by the World AI Creator Awards WAICA. Lelina from France became the first runner-up and Olivia C. from Portugal as the second runner-up. Kenza Lely was created by Mariam Bessa, CEO of Phoenix AI. Zara Satabari from India, created by Rahul Chaudhary, entered to the top 10 finalists to compete for this event. That national news. The Department of School Education and Literacy under the Ministry of Education has begun its week-long observance of Shiksha Saptaha, Education Week, on Monday to celebrate the 4th anniversary of the National Education Policy NEP 2020. The event is scheduled from July 22 to July 28, with the first day being observed as the Teaching Learning Material Day, that is TLM Day. On second day, Foundational Literacy and Numeracy Day, that is FLN Day, is observed with an objective of generating greater awareness among all stakeholders for successful implementation. Similarly, Sports Day, Cultural Day, Skill and Digital Initiative Day, Eco Clubs and School Nutrition Day, and Community Involvement Day are to be observed respectively. Now, some sports news. Indian tennis player Yuki Bhamri and his French partner Albano Olivetti won the Swiss Open Gstaad 2024 men's doubles title held in Gstaad City, Switzerland. This is the second ATP Tour title of the year for the Indo-French pair. Bhamri and Olivetti also won the Bavarian International Tennis Championship BMW Open 2024 in Munich in April. The Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI Secretary Jay Saha, said that the BCCI will provide Rs 8.5 crore to the Indian Olympic Association as a support for the Indian contingent who are representing the country in 2024 Paris Olympic. Next, business and economy news. The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) expects headline inflation to be 4.5% in the financial year 2024 and 25 and 4.1% in the financial year 25-26. The International Monetary Fund (IMF) has projected an inflation rate of 4.6% in 2024 and 4.2% in 2025. As reported in Economic Survey Report, the service sector continues to significantly contribute to India's growth, accounting for about 55% of the total size of the economy in the financial year 2023 and 24. As per the provisional estimates, the services sector is estimated to have grown by 7.6%. And finally, science and technology news. The National Landslide Forecast Center (NLFC) has been set up by the Union Government in Kolkata, West Bengal to enhance disaster preparedness, to mitigate the hazards of landslides and provide early warning to the people affected by them. Geological Survey of India (GSI) has launched the Bhuskhalan app as well as Bhusanket portal. Thank you for watching. Click on the like button to encourage us if you feel it is helpful to you. Do subscribe now to our channel Basic Concept Classes for more such interesting updates and notification. This YouTube channel is completely free for students. For your better preparation, practice the quiz session followed by a new session daily. Practice GK Current Affairs with Murari sir. Thank you. Let's meet in the next session.